singing this song. Like I can think. Yeah, I think I can sing.
Probably could. Honestly,
like if I really try.
Yeah.
Yo, where is this guy?
My bad, I'm late, yo. My bad.
What are those? What are those? What are you doing? Are you a construction worker? That's my guy. That's the new shit. Nobody has those. I rate it.
Should I wear the Breads today or the Space Jams? Or should I wear the Yeezys or the Ones? Should I wear the Gucci's or the Balenciagas?
Drake said it. Checks over strikes.
Are you dumb?
Checks over strikes.
Every
it's never
day.
been a strike.
You dumb?
Nikes are way better.
You're
the quality
mod.
is better.
You're
what does
mod.
Adidas have?
We have
Soccer
bare
shoes,
styles. We
soccer
talking about
shoes.
exactly.
That's like
you see Ronaldo? You see Messi? What are you talking about?
Jordans are way better than Yeezys,
dumb?
bro.
Yeezys
They're
every
way,
yo,
they're
mad
constructed
comfortable.
way
Mad
better.
comfortable.
Those
You
look
can't
like
do
dad
this.
shoes. Those are
Look at
nurses'
this.
shoes.
Look at
It doesn't
this.
matter.
Look
You
at
can't
this.
crease it though. You
That-
don't
you
have the
can't crease
drip,
this.
but you don't have drip. I
Come
have
on,
drip.
What are you talking about?
You don't have drip.
I have
Wait,
bare
wait,
drip.
hold on,
I'm always dripping in sauce. What are you talking
Bro,
about?
where is this guy? Like, we've been waiting for like hours.
I swear,
dog.
he does this
We're gonna
every
miss
day,
the
bro.
release. I swear to God, bro. I didn't win the raffle, so if we miss this, like, he's driving up there. Oh, yo, there he is.
Yo, that outfit is sick, G. Like, holy, how you got that? Yo, the fit is
my
on
God.
point. That's what I'm talking about. Cause
Drip,
like,
swag,
telling you, that's
dead.
drip, bro. That's drip right there.
That is cold.
All sauce stuff. We talking about.
So I'm saying, you see the fit though, eh? And them see the fit though still. Alright, I swear this is my last pair. Yo, I didn't know they came out with this colorway. Nah, I gotta cop these. I gotta cop these.
Babe, this has been the best 2 years of my life, and I just want to let you know I love you, and I want to ask you. Babe, will you marry me?
You know what? I'm gonna go with these. The bread Crocs. Wagwan people, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Big shout out to all my sneakerheads, all my people who are in the sneaker community. I myself am a retired sneaker addict, but I still remember, you know, waiting in line, trying to get the latest shoe. You know, so let me know what some of your favorite shoes are in the comments below. Are you guys Team Yeezy? Are you guys Team Jordan? Or even what are some of your favorite Jordan silhouettes? I think mine is the Jordan 1s, the Jordan 4s, and Jordan 13s. But let me know which ones you guys like in the comment section below. Also, I cannot forget to give a shout out to some of the latest members. I opened up the membership section of the my channel, so you guys can subscribe to that. Shout out to Tracy Boyland, one of our newest members. Thank you for becoming a member. I appreciate it so much. So thank you, Tracy. Also, shout out to Princess Rose Doll. Thank you, I appreciate it. You have been back on each Sunday for the Shoot Your Shot Sunday, so thank you guys who have joined. And again, if you want to join, it is down below. And I will see you guys next time for another video, and I'll see you guys also on the live Sundays each and every Sunday. Peace.